Alrighty, ladybugs, so I have made 2 envelopes and I have added acetate and stitched them. So I made this with one, 12 by 12. Oh, what am I using that scissors for? And there is, so I have stuck that on there so it'll go that away. I think I did use the wrong ones. Yeah, I did, but it's fine. Like I say, it doesn't matter if it doesn't go right to the edge. So I need to cut this one down a bit to about there. Should be absolutely fine. Let's make sure, because it's going to flip that way, right? So we want it this way. Oh boy, there. Score that down. Now, I haven't closed it. Actually, this one I'm going to close. This one, no, I don't need to put a closure on it. You'll see why in a moment. Just thinking aloud. Look at this. I do like it. The brown, I mean. It's a lovely chestnutty brown. So let's just do that. Oh, this thing can't stand. Because at one stage I was thinking of sewing on buttons, for the closure, but then I came up. Because it's always nice to have the windy string, so long as it's not too windy. Let's just put that down. And I think, yeah, I can also glue this down. So let's do that. This Dollar glue is actually very nice glue. It's, as I said, the first time I am using this one. It just sticks very quickly. So come on, stick. Just telling everyone how fast it sticks, and now I've got the sniffles. Are you sticky? Yes. So we have this one, which will go here, and then let's have a look at this one, which will be fine. So I'm going to stick this one down first. More or less over here. This again. Make sure it can come down a little bit here. Yeah, I think that's right, because I want this one. Yeah, that should be fine. I have to blow my nose. And then we can stick this one right here. I cut this one up. I don't know what I was doing with it, but we'll find a place for it. So let's have a look now. I'm a bit worried. Yeah, it's a little bit, let's see here. That'll do. It'll do. It'll do, ladybugs. It'll do. Hey, get down. Right. And my name is here. Where's my name? I saw it. No, that's Yolanda instead of Yolanda. Let's just push this down. Sorry guys, I'm just going to have a quick sniffle here. Here we go. Florinda, Rosalia, Noni, Rhodia. Names of flowers, but also, you know, Karina. Is that a name of a flower? Never heard of a flower called Karina. Yolanda. Somewhere here there's a Yolanda. So there. So I think that, you see, I originally had this like that, but I'm quite liking putting it like that. So I think I'm going to have it like that now. Yeah. So that's looking quite good. And you see this guy here, I will make something to fit in here to act as closure in here. See?